Hey there guys, this is Muffinsaurs here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw corgis. First off, we are going to start with Peanut the Corgi. His IG link is above. Do also make sure that you are in the right layer before you start drawing. I always start with the nose, then the muzzle, tongue, and then the eyes. Peanut had the little side eye thing going on here, so I've decided to change his small eyes to big googly eyes. I'm actually exaggerating his eyes here so that I give him more expression and character. Then we go on to the body, and he looks like he's doing a seal pose. So you follow according to the picture and give him small little wobbly legs. His legs might look a little longer in the photo, but I have decided to make them a little shorter because it's a doodle. It doesn't have to be exactly to perspective. The thing about drawing digitally is that it's very forgiving. You can always undo your mistakes and erase and draw till you're happy with it. When you're finally done with your outline, create a new layer and make sure that this layer is below your outline layer, and then proceed to choose a color for your corgi. You can actually double tap on your outline layer and merge with the bottom layer where the color is, and then you select the arrow tool and you can move them around now. I'm going to proceed to hide the layer of Peanut the Corgi by unticking the box in the layer panel. I'm also going to remove the photo of Peanut the Corgi, and let's do Gatsby the Corgi in a totally different pose. Gatsby is seen here running with his tongue dangling out from the side. Once again, I start with the nose and then the muzzle, and this time I add the tongue and his wide mouth. For the eyes, I've decided to draw 2 dots instead of the big wide eyes like Peanut. Gatsby is actually a tricolor corgi. There are corgis in different color. Corgis don't actually come in 2 colors only. They come in tricolor, and Gatsby is a red-headed tricolor corgi. So tricolor meaning there's red, white, and black. Feel free to always look for references like your pets or other people's pets to draw them and practice your doodling. You don't have to draw in the exact perspective, and you feel free to go crazy and make it look different. You never know what you might end up with. It might be something very funny. So just relax and do not restrict yourself. It's doodling. Just feel free to do what you love and just go with the flow like what I always do. I actually went overboard and did too many corgis today because I love corgis. So I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you so much, and see you again in the next video.